Hi fellas, been back again on another one with a bunch of Polyol new pet bottles. This is sponsored, so if you guys want to skip this video, you can, or if you trust my word, then just stick to this for some time and then you will know why I am talking about this. Unbelievably good products, unbelievably good. I mean, I was a reseller of all kinds of lubes and oils and solvents back in 2009 and 10 and 11, 3 years. Me and my best friend Arun, we had a garage, sort of a small garage and a retail outlet, and we used to sell all kinds of things. We were resellers for a lot of imported brands and the top of the line performance products, including cams and big bore kits and whatnot. But that was then when the performance scene was just next to nothing. And in Chennai, it was the racing business, and we did get associated, acquainted with a lot of racing fellas, but sales were not, worthy of mentioning or holding on to the business for a longer time. So we quit and we went our own ways. We did different things in life, and then back to square one. I've gotten myself involved with motorcycling again. Anyway, so this is a brand that got in touch with me a couple of years ago, almost, I believe 2 years ago, and ever since I've only used their products. I've not ever experienced something as good as this. I mean, yes, you could talk about products which are way more expensive doing an equally good job, but at this price point, this beats Motul, this beats just about anything and everything that's in the market. Now, coming to these new pet cans, these are pet bottles, pet cans, really tiny. I don't know if this is something that everybody should have, but this is a must-have for people who travel, people who are on the roads, and you do not wish to carry a big can like that, a 500 ml can like that, 550 mls, because this takes up a lot of space. Not heavy, but takes up a lot of space. You can carry 4 of them instead, and you can get rid of each one as and when you progress in the trip. Like you use it, get done with it, throw it, and you have more space. You've created more space in your luggage, and that's the idea behind using this. The fact that you can discard them and you can have more space come up in your luggage, that is the best thing about using pet cans. But otherwise, they're not really a very logical, sensible option, because only these fellas last only 2 or 3 uses at best, and not more. But then something really different about Polyol is the fact that Polyol does its job really well. So just we'll run you through the products. They have a chain cleaner called C1. That's C1 for chain cleaner. This will be mild cleaning. I mean, these are equated to their lubes. So C1 can be used on L1. L1 is the mild lube, which says off-road. It also says off and on road for surface. Weather is dry and mild wet. So this fellow can be used on mild conditions, both on and off road. And you can use C1 to clean that lube. And they work really well together. I mean, you'll be surprised how good this thing is in cleaning. Moving on to, we have the chain cleaner C2. C2 is paired with L3, which is chain lube. Again, this is on road. This is off road and on road. Moderate conditions, both moderate wet and moderate dry. So what I understand from that is you can use this for longer periods, 450 kilometers to 650 kilometers. So that's most people and their 1 day distance. So one shot of this and you can get done with 450 to 650 kilometers on the road, depending on how you throttle. So and the condition of your chain and the rest of it. So moderate conditions, good range, very good range, and you can to get rid of this, to clean this. What they recommend is C2, chain cleaner 2, and this would be the best of the lot. This is the L2. This bloody thing is just as sticky as they get, and sticky not in the sense that this attracts all kind of muck, but sticky to the surface that it is applied on, and it penetrates the chain and stays there forever and ever and ever. 700 to 1200 kilometers is the range. This is for extreme wet conditions and extreme dry conditions. You can use it for really harsh racing applications. You can use this fella. Really harsh on the throttle, you can use this fella. Doing 750 to 1000 kilometers a day, you can use this fella. And they what they have here is what the product is, fellas. Unlike most packaging, where packaging says one thing and the product is another thing, this, they mean it. They mean what they say. These things last. They last a lifetime on the chain. If you know, you know. Otherwise, you should give them a shot. What do you stand to lose? This would be, they haven't priced it yet, but you should get in touch with them and order this and experience this for yourself. You'll be shocked as to the quality of this, how good this is. They also have a wide range of products this time. They have brake cleaners, and I've been using their brake cleaners. Fantastic product. Just dries without leaving any residue, evaporates and gone. Everything gone. One shot of this cleans and just vaporizes. Maybe not ozone friendly, but does its job really well. They have mechanical cleaner and lube. This is more like the WD-40. Cleans and lubes at the same time for nuts and bolts and things that are starting to corrode. Really good product. I've exhausted two big cans already. Throttle body cleaner, yet to use this. I've been using various brands. I have always used the top brands in the market. Yet to use this, and maybe I'll make a dedicated video on this later. And then they also have electrical contact and component cleaner. This fellow I've been using. The can is almost over. I use it on all my electricals regularly to maintain the motorcycle. And I am a little bit of a proactive maintenance guy. This may not be everybody's thing, but if you have all these goods and you know how to go about maintaining motorcycles, then the motorcycles will last a lifetime. Now, just to show you what these goods can do to your chain,